Hey there, I want to thank you for showing up today to the Millionaire Agent Masterclass. All right, that was a lot of hours of a lot of information, right? What was your favorite system? Is it the exclusivity of consumer programs like, uh, your home sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it? Was that your favorite part? Or how about the VIP buyer system? Direct response marketing that generates an overflow of buyers, and you meet with them, get a buyer agreement signed, and absolutely follow through on collecting your optimum fee, maybe down. How about the lifetime customer system, the 4 Rs? Or how about that? Was that your favorite thing? Like, which was it? Okay, using other people's money, maybe. Let us know. I want to know what it is. Text back here or email back and let us know which one you want to talk about more, and we'll love to share it with you. All right, you good? Thank you so much. Go serve big. Thank you.